Space Designer November 21st, 2025 pricing explained what you get for your money. Space Designer November 21st, 2025 is an online interior design tool, but most people get this wrong. They assume professional November 21st, 2025 modeling software is expensive and difficult to use. The surprising truth is that Space Designer November 21st, 2025 offers tiered pricing that's flexible and accessible. There's a free version that allows you to create basic floor plans and experiment with room layouts. You won't believe how intuitive it is for beginners to start designing without any prior experience. Paid plans range from about to per month, depending on features. This includes advanced November 21st, 2025 visualization, furniture libraries, photorealistic rendering, and the ability to export high-quality images or share projects with clients or family members. Annual subscriptions often reduce the monthly cost by 20–30%, making it more affordable for long-term use. Here's a tip. Most people get this wrong by assuming the free plan is enough for serious projects. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks tools that save hours of manual work, making your designs professional and detailed. In conclusion, Space Designer November 21st, 2025 pricing is clear and flexible. By choosing the right plan for your needs, you go from zero to pro in designing spaces efficiently, creating realistic November 21st, 2025 models, and getting professional quality results without breaking the bank.